Okay guys, we're back with Mike Ramsey. So, I want to go over a quick strategy that could be used to push along a little faster and also help out your referrals. This is optional, but I'm going to go over, a way that it could be easier for everybody. So, what you can do is, every time one of your referrals gets a paid member, now they have to pass up their next member to you. So, what you can do is, because you're going to get that commission, because they're passing it up to you, you're going to get the commission anyway. You can go into your back office and get a pay it forward ticket, so you can use that to pay somebody in. So you can contact your referral and say, hey, I just need to get your link. I'm going to pay somebody in. Now that would bring them up to 2 members, and that would actually increase, getting them moving along faster. And you're not really losing any money. You're losing a processing fee of $1.50. Okay, but this would definitely push everything along faster for you and your referral. So if you followed this strategy, you're only looking to get 4 people anyway. All they need to get is 4, and so forth and so on. So you did that. They got their referral. Then the next one, they're going to get their self. And then you're going to go ahead and get them. You're going to pay it for the next one. Get another pay it forward ticket. Just until they have their 4. And then if everybody followed that strategy, it would make things a lot quicker. You're not really losing anything. You're going to lose $3 by doing it that way. But you push them along faster because you're getting a $10 commission from them, by them passing up their sales to you. But if you just passed it up to yourself by using a pay it forward ticket, then it doesn't really matter. You're going to get the commission back anyway. So, it's a recommended strategy if you want to imply it. You guys are here. You're seeing the training. I think it's effective. It'll push things along faster. If everybody followed that same process, you wouldn't have to even get 4. You just have to get 2, and you'd be paying it forward to basically almost break even. You're going to lose a couple dollars, but it pushes it along so much faster. So, think about that, and if you want to use that strategy, talk to your downline referrals about that. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.